The truth about attraction. Have you ever felt like no matter what you say or do, women just don't seem interested? Perhaps you've been told that attraction relies on clever words or flashy moves. Today, we're diving deep into a perspective you won't hear anywhere else. Prepare to rethink your approach to attraction as we explore how to draw women in without uttering a single word. The reality is that attraction isn't merely about what you say, it's about who you are. By adopting Stoic principles, you can become more attractive through your actions and demeanor rather than your dialogue. In this exploration, you will learn the silent signals that truly resonate with women and the Stoic virtues that enhance your presence. 1. Understanding the Stoic mindset, the foundation of attraction. Attraction is not a logical equation, but a primal instinct deeply rooted in our emotional experiences. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and emotional control. When you cultivate these traits, you project confidence and authenticity, both of which are incredibly attractive. Understanding yourself and your emotional responses allows you to engage with women on a deeper level. For example, a Stoic approach to emotional management means recognizing your feelings but not allowing them to dictate your behavior. This stability makes you more appealing and approachable. 2. The power of presence. Being fully present. Presence is one of the most powerful tools in attracting women. When you are fully engaged in a moment, you not only enhance your own experience, but also make others feel valued. This is where mindfulness comes into play. Practice techniques such as active listening and maintaining eye contact. When a woman speaks, give her your full attention. Nod and respond appropriately to show you are engaged. This simple act demonstrates respect and interest, creating a connection that words alone cannot achieve. 3. Body language speaks volumes. Non-verbal signals. Your body language communicates far more than your words. Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-discipline, which can be reflected in your posture and demeanor. Maintain an open posture. Stand tall with shoulders back and avoid crossing your arms. These physical signals project confidence and make you appear more approachable. Additionally, subtle gestures, such as a slight smile or a nod, can convey warmth and interest without the need for conversation. 4. The importance of emotional stability, cultivating inner peace. Women are often drawn to men who exhibit emotional stability. A Stoic man reacts thoughtfully rather than impulsively, demonstrating maturity and depth. To cultivate emotional stability, engage in practices such as journaling or meditation. These techniques allow you to process your emotions and reflect on your experiences. When you respond to situations with calmness and clarity, you become more attractive, as others see you as a reliable and composed partner. 5. Authenticity over performance. Being true to yourself. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. Stoicism encourages you to embrace your true self, free from societal pressures. When you are genuine, you naturally attract others. To embrace authenticity, take the time to understand your values and beliefs. Reflect on what matters most to you and ensure your actions align with these principles. When you live authentically, you project a sense of self-assuredness that is magnetic. 6. The role of ambition and purpose. Driven by purpose. Ambition and purpose are inherently attractive traits. A man with goals and direction draws people in, and Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living a life of purpose. Identify your goals and write them down. Regularly review and adjust them as necessary. Show persistence in pursuing your passions, as this dedication not only enriches your life, but also makes you a more attractive partner. 7. The art of emotional intelligence. Understanding emotions. Emotional intelligence, EI, plays a crucial role in attraction. By developing your EI, you can better understand not only your emotions, but also those of others. This understanding allows for deeper connections and more meaningful interactions. To enhance your emotional intelligence, practice empathy. When engaging with women, try to understand their perspectives and feelings. This not only fosters a sense of connection, but also allows you to respond appropriately to their needs. 8. Building confidence through stoicism, cultivating self-assurance. Confidence is undeniably attractive. Stoicism can help you build genuine self-assurance through its emphasis on personal growth and resilience. Start by setting small goals and achieving them. Each success builds your confidence, reinforcing your belief in your capabilities. Additionally, practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that align with your values and aspirations. 9. The role of integrity in attraction. Being a man of your word. Integrity is a cornerstone of attraction. A Stoic approach emphasizes the importance of living by your principles and being accountable for your actions. When you are true to your word, you gain respect and trust, which are foundational for any relationship. Make a conscious effort to follow through on your commitments. Whether it's showing up on time or keeping promises, your reliability enhances your attractiveness. 10. Creating an inviting atmosphere. Your surroundings matter. The environment you create around yourself influences how others perceive you. A welcoming and positive atmosphere can draw women in without you having to say a word. Take the time to cultivate spaces that reflect your personality and values. Whether it's your home or the way you carry yourself in public, an inviting demeanor makes you more approachable and attractive. Conclusion: attracting women the Stoic way. In conclusion, attracting women without saying a word is fundamentally about embodying the principles of Stoicism. It's not just about what you do, it's about who you are at your core. By cultivating emotional control, being present, mastering body language, and embracing authenticity, you send powerful signals that resonate deeply with women. Attraction is an instinctual response to authenticity and presence. When you focus on your personal growth and embody Stoic virtues, you'll find that women are naturally drawn to you. So, are you ready to transform your approach to attraction? Embrace these principles and watch how your relationships flourish. Bonus insight. Remember, attraction is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing these Stoic principles, and the right connections will come your way.